Will versus going to in English, what is the difference? Will and going to are both used to talk about future events, but they are used in slightly different ways. Will is used to talk about a future event that is not planned or arranged in advance. It is often used to make predictions or talk about something you think will happen in the future. For example, I think it will rain tomorrow. She will probably be late for the meeting. Going to is used to talk about a future event that is planned or arranged in advance. It is often used to talk about something that you intend to do in the future. For example, I am going to meet my friend for lunch tomorrow. They are going to buy a new car next month. In some cases, going to can also be used to make predictions based on evidence or present circumstances, similar to will. For example, look at those dark clouds. It's going to rain. She's been studying all day. She's going to pass the exam. Overall, the main difference between will and going to is that will is used for unplanned events or predictions, while going to is used for planned events or intentions. When should I use will instead of going to? You can use will instead of going to when you want to predict the future, or when you want to talk about a future event that is not planned or arranged in advance. Here are some examples. I think it will be a nice day tomorrow. Prediction. He will probably call you later. Prediction. I'll take the bus to work tomorrow. Decision made spontaneously. In general, will is used for more general or hypothetical future events, while going to is used for more specific or planned future events. However, there is some overlap between the two forms, and in many cases you can use either will or going to talk about the future. It's also worth noting that in some contexts, there are subtle differences in meaning between will and going to. For example, going to is often used when the speaker has some control over the situation and intends to make the event happen, while will is often used when the speaker has less control over the situation and is simply making a prediction. However, these distinctions are not always clear-cut, and the two forms are often used interchangeably in everyday conversation.